Hi friends, welcome back to the Home Depot. In this video, we're going to go over the bulbs that they have. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned, my friends. Alrighty guys, starting with the pre-planted bulbs, just add water. These containers are $24.98. The ones that I'm looking at right now, guys, is going to be the Cali Lilies mixed, the caladiums and cannas. And is there anything else? Yes, those are the only two that I see right now. So I'm going to give you a close-up on some of them. This is the Cali Lily mix right here. The caladiums and Cali Lilies. Absolutely love caladiums, guys. They are so beautiful. So yes, guys, that's what they have right now over here at the Home Depot. Moving on to the berry bushes. Alrighty, so all of the berry bushes are $9.98. So let's start with this one. This one is the blueberry pink icing. Perfect for a patio container. This one is the raspberry shortcake. This one is the blueberry pink icing. Easy to grow and self-pollinating. And this one is the blackberry baby cakes. What a sweet name. Here we have CSB, which is garden state bulbs. Plant possibilities, light conditions, bloom time, and features and benefits is what it says. So let's see, are they the same price? We'll find out. Starting with the dahlias, they are $9.98. I'm thinking all of these bulbs over here are going to be $9.98, but we'll see. So starting with this one, which is the bluebell, it has two bulbs. Isn't that beautiful? This one is pom-pom mix. And this one is Bluebird. Oh, she's gorgeous, guys. Alrighty. Moving on to the lily for $9.98. And this one is the Cancun. Love that color. Black out. Ooh, this is a dark purple here. Almost black. And this one is called Lanny, I think. Okay. So yes, the elephant ears. They're $9.98 as well. You get one bulb. This is a huge bulb. Okay. The gladiosus. You get 20 bulbs. And this one is the sorbet mix. Tiger lily here. You get 5 of these in the orange. Alrighty guys, moving on to the edibles, which are going to be the grapes. And you get one plant, and these are $10.98. Concord, you get one of these as well. Hardy figs, you get one for $10.98. Raspberries, $10.98. And more berries here, which is the raspberry and the blueberries. You get 10 plants of the strawberries, and they're $10.98. Pomegranates, you get one plant for $10.98. Garlic and onions. So this onion is $3.98 for 60 sets. And the seed garlic, you get 3 bulbs for $3.98. The asparagus, you get 3 for $3.98. Box bulbs are $9.98. And of course, a repeat of the lilies, the begonias, gladioli, and the caladiums. I would pick this one up, wouldn't I? Yeah, so you get 3 fancy leaf mixed bulbs in the caladiums. The begonias, you're going to get 3 double mixed bulbs. The gladioli, you get 20 mixed bulbs. And the lilies, you get 6 oriental mixed bulbs. So over here, guys, these bulbs are going to be, you're going to get more bulbs per bag. Starting with the lily, they're $14.98, but you're going to get 10 bulbs. Gladiolas, you're going to get 50 bulbs for $14.98. Miss Summer Blooming Rain Lily, you get 12 bulbs for $4.98. The other one that is $14 is going to be the elephant ear. You're going to get 7 bulbs. Peony, you're going to get 1 for $14.98. 1 plant. Alright guys, so I know I said just bulbs today, but I could not leave here without showing you guys this right here. It's going to be really quick because it is raining. So on this table, all of the evergreens, flowers, and shrubs are on sale for $8 each. Quick little run here. So camellias, center stage coral, crepe myrtle by Proven Winners. Proven Winners, also easy, double red. All of these plants, guys. Plum Magic, crepe myrtle, barberries. All of these plants are $8 here at the Home Depot. Alberta spruce right there. Ooh, don't want to mess up my phone, guys. Ooh, and definitely don't want to slip on this ice like I did one day last week. Ligustrum, $8 for this big old ligustrum, guys. Azalea, Leyland cypress, juniper, blue star, fountain grass. All of these plants are $8. Center stage coral, crepe myrtle, and so on, guys. You may want to check your Home Depot, guys, to see if they're having a good deal like my store. Woo! That was cold. Oh, well, alrighty, friends, that's what I want to show you guys here at my Home Depot. A few, mostly bulbs and a few plants that's here on sale that I could not leave without showing you guys. So hopefully you can find these deals at your store. So yes, guys, thank you all so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please go back and watch some of my other videos, guys. I appreciate it when you guys do that. So thank you again, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.